Hello, fellow creatives. I'd like to invite you to join me for a Paint with Betty session happening on Saturday, June 27th, 2020. During the 2-hour session, we're going to cover a number of different things, and we'll start off by prepping your surface when working on paper. I'm going to be working on 24 by 18-inch paper. We'll also talk about all the different type of mark making shapes that you can be creating in your paintings. We'll discuss color harmony and values. These are two new areas that I haven't talked about in previous Paint with Betty sessions, and I think both of them are really important for pulling your painting together. We'll also discuss layering to create interest and depth, and then I'm going to be answering all of your questions as we go throughout the 2-hour period. I'll also provide you with an art supply list so that you can paint along with me. So again, this is a Paint with Betty session happening on Saturday, June 27th. We're going to start at 11 a.m. If you want to find out what time that would be for you based on where you're located in the world, you can go to Google and look for time zone converter. And when you get that converter, type in either Pacific time or California time, and that's going to help tell you what time it would be based on where you're located. This is going to be online, so I'm going to provide you with a link a couple of days before the session, and as long as you have internet access, you'll be able to join in. The cost is $79, and I'm going to include a link down below for you to join. So one other thing that I'm going to be doing is I'll be recording this entire session so that you can choose to paint along with me, or you can choose to just watch during the session and then replay it at your convenience. Within a couple of days after the live session, I'll have a link for you with the recording, and you will have access to that indefinitely, and you can play it back as many times as you'd like. These are just some examples of some 24 by 18-inch pieces that I've done in the past. I hope you'll join me for this live, interactive, fun 2-hour session. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'm happy to answer them for you. I sure hope to see you soon.